The Xiaomi 17 Max is launching soon, and I've had some deep hands-on time with it. I have to say, the experience has been absolutely fantastic. Today, I'm going to take you through the all-new Xiaomi 17 Max. First, let's look at the design. As you can probably tell, it remains as exquisite and stylish as ever. Comparing it to our Xiaomi 17, it features a great family design language. The most noticeable change is the larger screen size, yet the body hasn't become any thicker, so it still feels great in the hand. This is the result of our advanced stacking capabilities. Most importantly, it delivers 4 major upgrades: imaging, battery life, performance, and display. First up is the Imaging Max, which for the first time features a 200 megapixel Leica main camera. It also supports a multi-frame fusion algorithm, so you can shoot first and create later. The image quality is incredibly sharp, giving you maximum creative freedom. Plus, we've equipped it with a 70mm large sensor telephoto lens. Its imaging capabilities speak for themselves. The second Max is the screen. We've used the same super pixel display as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. It rivals 2K resolution, yet uses less power than a 1.5K LCD, offering a crystal clear picture and high efficiency. The third Max is highly practical: battery life. We've upgraded to an 8,000 mAh Jinshajiang battery, giving you peace of mind all day long. Maxed out performance. It continues to feature the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, making it effortless to handle demanding games or complex tasks. This feature-packed Xiaomi 17 Max will be arriving at the end of this month. Stay tuned.